Matryoshka dolls are one of the most known symbols of Russian culture and by no means a super cute idea for a costume if you want to stand out at an event or party. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily transform into a big-eyed Russian doll with tiny lips, step by step. Let's start! For a bigger eye effect, I'm going to put in circle lenses. However, this is optional and the makeup will also look dolly without them. Get a good camouflage cream that is a tad bit lighter than your skin and apply under your eyes, nose, forehead, and chin. This is to conceal and highlight at once. Make sure you cover all dull and dark spots. We need to get our skin matte and even. Now get your normal day-to-day liquid-based foundation and apply a sheer layer over your face to even out the color and dull up your complexion. Finish with soft dabs of sheer powder so you don't disturb the color and texture of the foundation. Wet an eyeshadow brush and create a white base over your lid. For the color white, I recommend to use a high pigmented eyeshadow, but if you don't have one, then just apply 2 or 3 layers more. Remind that the layers need at least 1 minute time to dry. With a dry brush, apply copper eyeshadow up to your brow bone. Color 1/3 of your lower lid too. Now with the same color but using a wet brush, mark your brow bone. On a dry, angled brush, apply a dark chocolate color and draw over the line on your brow bone. Make the end of the stroke and faintly by smudging it slightly. Wet the brush once again and apply a finishing layer of copper. Eyelashes. Apply dark, theatrical under eyelashes. Glue them from the middle of your eye up to your brow bone. Now we'll need long upper eyelashes with a flexible lash band. Stick them on your eyelid, closely to the crease. Don't blink until the glue has completely dried. Enlarging your eyes this dramatically would probably get your brows out of proportion, so make sure to elongate them as well. One thing almost all Russian dolls have in common are their delicate, teeny tiny rosebud lips. Wet a small brush, choose the most intense scarlet in your makeup box, and with great care, follow your lip silhouette. Let the brush slip at your mouth's corner to create a wing so it looks like you're smiling. But if you're not in the mood, you can let the wings point downwards and be a grumpy Matryoshka instead. Pat the same color you used for your lips on your cheek apples and blend until there are no clear edges to be recognized. If you've got long hair, then this style will be super simple. Just twist a braid for each side of your head. Pull the ends up to the top of your head and fix all areas well with bobby pins. All that's left to do now is to cover your head with a shawl and tie a ribbon. Here I'm wearing a real Russian hand-painted pavlova shawl like a real babushka. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and maybe you're ready to start your own transformation into a cute Matryoshka. See you again in my next video. Bye bye boo!